What's going on, guys? Your boy G. Just had to watch them really quick. It's amazing how they do it. There's a trio for 5 owl finches, and look at it, they don't leave them alone. You know, it's all day like this. And they eat it on their own too. That's why I put that little pot right there in the middle, fill of feed, and I got the millet spray. You know, I got the feed on the corners. I just changed all the waters, sparkly clear water. Okay, there they are. That's the dirty ones. I just gotta do the aviary, give them fresh water, and that's it. But everybody here is doing great. Like I said, we got Goulians here. We got eggs. We got 5 owl finch eggs here. I don't know what to put for them yet. They're on dummy eggs. Like, I don't know what to put for them. So I'm doing a lot of testing this year. My star finches, I'm gonna let them raise the babies on their own. My owl finch up there, they're gonna raise babies on their own. My Indian silverbills, I'm gonna let them raise babies on their own. My shaft tail down here, we got 6 eggs. I'm gonna let her finish babies on her own. We got, how many dummy eggs? She's in there incubating. Oh, she just laid another one right there. That one. You can see which one is real, which one is fake. So right now she has 5. So I'm gonna let her raise her babies on her own. This pit here should be laying eggs any day now. Any day. Like any given day. I'm gonna let them raise babies on their own. The grass mass finch. She's in there. Just 3 little eggs. Those are dummy eggs. I don't know if I should let her raise babies. You know, so I'm sorry about my finger, guys. How about you guys? Anything? Nothing yet. I gotta put another dummy egg in here. I forgot. Yesterday I took one out. Then my son was in here. That's it. Nothing in here, no. This girl's gonna lay any day. Any day she's gonna lay, this girl. My star finches up here is gonna lay any day. Like any given day. I wanna see if she has laid. See if she has laid, guys. I don't know, I can't see anything. So I don't know about these neither. I don't think so. Any given day. These guys, I just put them in here. I seen him mount the female and everything. They already gave me their first eggs yesterday. That's quick. Real quick. I got my Goulians molting. As soon as this girl's done with her molt, I'm gonna put her down here with this yellow. So that's good. My bronze wing mannequins. Look at this beautiful nest, guys. They're gonna lay any day. I'm gonna let them raise their babies on their own. This Indian silverbill pair here, I'm gonna let them raise their babies on their own. So a lot of birds, I'm gonna let them raise their own youngs. Look at Mama in there. He's almost. So that's good. I'm putting the dummy eggs under here. I already put one. I'm starting with them so I can get them in that breeding. So they want to lay. When it's a first time, these are first time pairs. When they're first time pairs, I don't like to put a lot of birds under them. 2, 3 max. You know, because you never know, it's a hit or miss. And then their second time around, they'll do better. I put a real society egg over here. I got 2 more society egg over here. And then I got these. They all gotta be located. I don't know. So this is the grass mass finch. B8. It's the shaft-tailed Lutino Cremino. This one here. And this one here. I don't know, I forgot what those are. But I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4 back in her cage because she already has 5. I'm gonna put them in there. She might lay 1 more, and that'll be tomorrow. So it's all right. But everybody else is doing great. They got dummy eggs under them. They got the dummy eggs under them. These guys are laying real eggs. I gotta figure out what I want to do with them. These guys don't want nothing to do with these. Not yet. Transfer this over here. Let's see if they'll do it. Let's see if there's any good. I'll let them. So I've been thinking. That's all I do when I come in here is think. How can I improve? How can I get this bird to lay? How can I get that bird to lay? How can I do this? How can I do that? That's what I do when I come in this bird room. I just don't just sit here and enjoy the birds flapping back and forth. No, my mind is constantly spinning when I come in this bird room. So I have said before that I like to use 2 females to 1 male. Okay, but there's pros and cons to what I'm gonna say to both things. So, like this situation here, you use a pair, correct? I put the dummy eggs about a week now. They don't want to accept it. So once she's gonna wait for her cycle to come and lay her eggs. There's some birds that do that, and there's some birds that don't. She's the one that likes to wait for her cycle. Once she starts laying her eggs, then she'll start laying. Then I can do my thing. But I need to do my thing quick. I need to put eggs under her quick because I can't wait, you know. Or I put them under the real parents, and then once she comes into that cycle, switch them out, you know. But then who knows how far along everything is. So you can do it like that. With the trio, it might be a little bit more advanced. One of the female might catch, you know, the breeding a little faster. Like this pair, I put the outfinch eggs, they took it right away. This pair is laying eggs, so I'm gonna take advantage of that. This pair, I put the parafinch and just parafinches, and you see me transfer it down there. I don't want to lose 3 parafinches because they didn't come into cycle yet. And these are great parents right here. Very good. So I was thinking, if I use males, if I use 2 or 3 males, they're all males. They don't need to come into that heat to start laying. You put the eggs, by the 4th, 5th day, they're already catching that sensation to want to go sit on it. Okay, this is a pair. I don't have no cages with 2 males in it. That's breeding for me. I never did. And it's going okay. It's going well. It's doing me good. I'm not complaining about it. It's just I think too much when I'm in this bird room. So I'm gonna try to do a cage with 3 males. But the thing to the 3 males, once the babies are out, they're gonna wanna mount those babies left and right. They're not gonna leave those babies alone. Once the babies flush the nest. You know? So, and it can take a little bit long as well for the 2 males, 3 males to take to the egg. It all depends on the bird. It all depends on how everything is you have is your setup. But guys, 2 females to 1 male, it works great. Now, if you're gonna put 2 males to 1 female, those 2 males are not gonna leave that female alone for nothing. They're always gonna be on top of that female, and it's gonna stress her out. That's why I don't like to do it that way. I like to do the 2 females to the male. Or you just try 2 males or 3 males. You know, or just a pair. So, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try the 3 males. And I'm gonna try 3 females. These are 3 females, I believe, in here. I'm still looking for the other male that's in here. There's 2 more in here. And there's 3 in here that I'm, observing, like just looking. So, but in the meantime, I gotta put stuff for them so they can start laying, because all my birds are starting to lay, so I have to. There's no wasting time here. No wasting time at all. Did she lay her second egg? I don't think she laid her second egg. Nope, this one. Today or tomorrow. But that's it, guys. I mean, I'm gonna try it. Nothing else. Everything else is looking good. I'm gonna do some egg food. This is what I like to use on my egg food. Yeah. 2 different types of egg feed. This is the ABBA. This is the normal. You just take, drip, 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 depending on how big your pan is, you know. Or you put it in a syringe, the amount, 1 milligram, and just and then you gotta mix it with your hand or a spoon, and everything gets nice and coated. It's like a shiny coat. And you got your regular chicken eggshell, and you got your baby feed. That's what I do on a day-to-day. And then on a Saturday and Sunday, I like to use the hard-boiled eggs with all this stuff. Have a great day, guys. Enjoy.